Hello everyone, I'm Nanapo and I've come to your screen once again.
Wow!
So today in this episode, we are going to learn how to download any TikTok video or Instagram video without showing the watermark. So let's say if you want to react to any TikTok video you've seen going viral, you do not have to allow the watermark to be shown. Okay, it will be termed as copyright, or you are using a TikTok video on other social media platform, especially on YouTube. I don't think you'll be monetized for it. So I'll be showing you how you can download TikTok videos and there wouldn't be any watermark in the video, okay?
2 times 9 is? 18. Excellent. You've been practicing.
And as well Instagram video. So let's just dive into the tutorials I'll be giving you. So please watch to the end of the video, okay? Don't skip any parts. Okay, so let's go straight. So when we want to download a video, we go to our TikTok page. Usually when you go to TikTok and you want to download the video, it comes with watermark. So let's say this is the video we want to download. We will come to where the arrow is pointing at the side. We'll click on it. Then we'll go and copy the video, the link of the video. You do not download it directly. When you download it directly, it will come with the watermark. Okay, so we'll copy the link. Then we'll go to Chrome. Then we'll go to the search bar. Then we have to type download TikTok video without watermark. Okay, that is the simplest way I will give you. You type that word and it will lead you to a website. So let me type download TikTok video without. You see, I have the website already, so I just have to click on it. So we come and paste the link we copied. This space for us to be able to download. Okay, so when you paste it, then you click on download. Then you see in that video, the video has popped up. The video has popped up. So it will suggest us to save it. You see, it has suggested us to save it. So we'll click on save. Then you click on save. Okay. Then it will suggest whether you want to save it on your file, save it on your phone or CapCut. So I will save it with my CapCut. I usually save it with my CapCut because that is where I edit the video, okay? So if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, it doesn't come with any watermark. There's no watermark showing, okay? So that's how it's done. So we are moving straight to Instagram. We are going to apply the same thing. So we'll look for a video to download. So let me click on this Neymar video, okay? Then we will click on where the arrow is pointing. Then we'll go to copy link, like the TikTok, whatever we did is the same thing. We'll copy the link. Then we'll come to our Chrome. Then we'll go and search download Instagram video without watermark. You see, it's the same process. So let me type download Instagram video without watermark. Yeah, so we will choose the first part. Okay, you click on the first link, then it will suggest us to paste the link at that blank space. Then you paste the link, then you click on download. Okay, so it's the same process. You see the video of Neymar showing, then we'll click on download again. So it will suggest we should save the video. Okay, then we'll click on save. Then it will suggest we save it on our file. Then you click on save. Then as usual, I will save it in my CapCut. Okay, you can save it on your phone's file. Okay, I will edit it on my CapCut, so I usually save it on my CapCut. So that is how it's done. You see this one, the Instagram watermark is not showing. Okay, so please, if you are enjoying this video, subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm out.